So what is important if you want to be here in Australia? The one of the way is to do internship. Now, university helps in getting you in internship. I mean, there are a lot of services in university itself, here in Lecture Career Guidance. So they help you in whatever career, whatever field you are doing it. They sit down, they have a meeting with you, they have a chat with you, they consider whatever you want, what have you done, and they ask you what do you want to do, or what do you want to do, and what do you want to be in future, what sort of fields do you want to work in. So they consider everything, they make a report, and they give you advice based on what it is. So yes, university does help you, and I would say, see, in Australia, we have like four months of holidays from November to March. So I would highly recommend you doing internship within those 4 months. It is very important, because once you do any internship in that particular company, the company, chances of you getting hired in that company exponentially increases. And once you get hired by the company usually gives you sponsored PR. And it could be for about 4 years, or they could sponsor you permanently. It really depends on work and field you are doing. Employees here in Australia are looking for free labor. Now, the best source of getting free labor is from university students, because the process is like this. Once you apply for internship to a certain company basically doesn't have to do anything. The process that you have to follow is you have to go to the university, apply for their sponsored insurance, so that university sponsors you for the insurance while working in that company. So basically, for company, it is like nothing. They don't have to do anything. They're getting free labor. Mm-hmm. So I would say, if you are lucky, you could get some $1,000 stipend. If you are lucky. First, I would say that you should not focus on getting PR. The important thing here is that you focus on your studies, get good grades, and excel in what you are learning. I'm not saying excel in what you are studying. I'm saying excel in what you are learning. Mm-hmm. What is important is that you get thorough knowledge of what you're studying. Australia needs chemists. They don't have chemists. And to be honest, there are a lot of very, very less people who have actually done this course. So the chances of you getting PR in this profession, in this field, really increases. I would say 80% of students should get full-time. So to start off, I would say $5,000 to $6,000 a month. In India, they have like placement system. The concept of placement doesn't exist here. They would advise you that how you can pursue those companies and how can you approach them. They would help you on that. University will absolutely go off the limits to help you on that. But there are no campus placement, no placement, nothing like that. You have to do everything on your own.